YouTube, Chuck's back again. Just doing a little bit on my Nordictrack. I've decided to hack it. So the first thing you need to do, go back to home, and we need to go up here. Right, stop that minute. So we need to go to home, and we've got to come down here to settings, and we need to go to maintenance. So the first thing you need to go is to maintenance, and you're in maintenance, and it's been updated, and hopefully this works. So it's 10 taps, then you've got to count to 7, and then 10 taps, and it should unlock the super user mode. So that's the privilege mode. I'm now in true and privilege mode. Now it says 7, but I'll count it up to 10. So it's 10 taps, then count to 10, and then 10 taps. And that'll get you into super user mode. Now that you're in super user mode. Okay guys, we're on the Nordictrack still, and we're on the maintenance page. Use your finger and push up, and you can see the dot in the middle. So you can go back to the Android system. Then you can select your internet, because this thing allow browser to take pictures and record video. Not really, but I don't want to record video, so deny that. Allow browser to record audio, deny it. Allow browser to look at files and stuff, allow that. Allow browser to access your contacts. Not really, not interested. Anyway, permission denied, change. All right, we're going to have to allow it to do everything because it didn't like it the other way. So this is the first time I've ever done this. So yeah, now you need to go to Google. So you can go to Google, or you can go to anything you want. You could go to DuckDuckGo, like I'll just do DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo, and you're there. Right, so I'm using DuckDuckGo. You can use Google. You can use any browser, search browser you want. No problem, you can't see anything. So first thing I want to download is I want to watch YouTube. So I need you can use Filelink, or you could use something on the web, but like I use NordVPN. And I use that for my privacy. It's private enough. It doesn't get rid of any of your what is it? The MAC address on your device, but it's good enough for what you want to do. So you can go there, go to Nord, and you can download their app. So I can get the app from here once I find it. So NordVPN, pretty good screen anyway. No, I don't want to grab a deal. I do want to grab the NordVPN Apple TV thing. What's the Apple TV? Or in this case, not Apple TV. Just so I can get it from the Play Store, or I can get it from the download APK, which is there. So I can download the APK, and the APK is now there. So now what you need to do is you need to make this won't open, shouldn't open. Security on the tablet. So now you need to go to your settings. So I need to go back to here on the settings, hit the settings, and I need to let it download different links. So that'll be something I need to do right now. So let's have a look. Okay, so I'm go to under settings, I go to security. Then I come down here and I go, I want to install from unknown sources, so I can go yes to that. Then I go up like that, and then I go back like you normally do on a normal Android tablet twice to get back to here. And then I go into here, I go up here, and I'm looking for downloads, if I can find it. It ain't there, so I'll just have a quick look. Accept the cookie. So it's all the sites it's already been to, so I've never used this, don't forget. So this has actually been set up like this for some reason, so you can use it. So yeah, it's been set up so you can use the browser, which is handy. So I can go to any site I want, but what I want to do right now is I want to go back here and I want to go to DuckDuckGo again. So I'll install the other one in a minute. DuckDuckGo, and I want to go to BTV. Let's try BTV. BTV is, if you've got it, you should have like I've got a heap of different things for Netflix and Amazon and all those things, which I have got. But I like watching it on BTV. So I'm not actually breaking the law, I'm actually paying for it. So BTV downloads. So download BTV for Android. And there are other ways you can do this, like I said, for Android. So we click on there. And it's wanting me to write the word video. I think it wants me to work. It wants me to go in there, but it's trying to get me out of there. Let's get out of there. Come down here and go download. So it was actually dodgy. So I can't download that from there. So now it can't be downloaded. Okay, so we can't use that from that site. So the other option, if you've got, so I'm wondering if I can find YouTube as a, so I've got YouTube Music and I've got other things, so I could just probably write YouTube Music, which I want an APK. So this is where it gets a bit iffy. So if I want to download it, I want an APK that I can download YouTube Music from. I could probably go, see, okay, so what we need to do is we need to, because I'm having a lot of problems with it, I'm just going to go to Filelink. Filelink will find most of the information you need. So just Filelink and look for that. And it shouldn't have come up with that. Oh well, we'll go back to all. So filelink.com, and hopefully this one's going to work. But other than that, you can watch YouTube on your web browser once you get past that, instead of on your run, which is a good thing. So download Filelink from Amazon or Android, which I don't really want to do because I don't have. No, so you just don't know whether I can download from there. So I've downloaded something from there. Let's see if I can install that. So you've got to make sure you can, like I said before, you've got to have all sources through security. That'll install Filelink. Go. So that can be opened. And from there, if you know numbers for Filelink, like, I don't know, 7812, don't know whether that's going to work. So that doesn't like it, so you need to find it. You can go and ask them for, anyway, you can't get a password here, but if you can look on YouTube, you can find a file number there and you can add things. Also up the top, if you pull down, you can see that I've got NordVPN. I can install my NordVPN, which is handy for doing stuff if you feel that you want to use a bit more security in your browser. You can do that as well. So I haven't actually shown you how to install anything else, but this is how you install stuff using it. I'm not going to install anything that could be seen as using something that you shouldn't, but I will open that. So there, that opens up nicely. So NordVPN opens, and I can get rid of that and go back into here. So that'll be in here somewhere, NordVPN. I'll find it in a minute. It'll be under here. So, and you should be able to then look for a file number. So here's a code here for community. So Filelink. So you can use that code or see where that goes. We'll give it a try. Can't hurt. So then I can just go there. I can go to that. Hop into Filelink, which should be here, which is in this corner here. And then pop that into there. And continue. And that should get me to things like a couple of different things here. So it's got some sunset stuff, and I can dismiss all that stuff. But if you've got a code for Filelink, you should be able to download any of your popular show watching stuff that you watch at home, or you can even install Amazon or Netflix onto here. So you should be able to install all that. And so if you've got the right code, you'll be able to install all that. So don't forget, just go back to here. If you need to get back to the main screen, you just pick that up and you go back there like that. And you can go like that too. And get rid of that, and then you can go back to the calibration screen and you can get back into your program, which is back in here. So that's about it. I haven't shown you how to install the extra program, but I've shown you how to get there. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you're all having a great day. And I hope you're using your Nordictrack to get fit. Bye for now.